Okay, lastly, I want to quickly go back to the biotech stock that Gerald Fitz asked about, which is MBRX. So we have developed a biotech due diligence Google Sheet, which you can use to calculate the quarter's cash flow positive for biotech stocks or any money losing stocks. And again, you can use this, either use ours or make a copy for yourself if you're an all access or VIP member. I've just plugged in the basics for MBRX, and we'll go through the exercise to figure out their quarter's cash flow positive. We'll also open up their Finviz profile, which you can do directly from the link there. So again, in the key, it will give you the formulas for calculating the variables in the quarter's cash flow positive calculation. So we need their cash on hand from their balance sheet. So we'll go down to the financials first. Go to their latest quarter. Go to their balance sheet, cash and short-term investments. So 23.55, we'll plug that in. Find their free cash flow. Cash flow statement. Find their free cash flow. Negative 5.49. Plug that in. And we'll see we get a 4.29. So they've got 4 quarters of cash until they essentially, run out of money. So it's not terrible. It's average. So that's not a big negative. We'll get their quarter date. So again, you can go through this exercise on any biotech or any money losing stock and figure out, how long till they run out of money and have to raise cash. Now, I did look at this MBRX a little bit in advance. And some of the things to note right off the bat is they just did a very large reverse split. So they split 1 to 15. They also had earnings. So you see they're losing, their money losing, which is typical of a biotech. And as we just saw, they've got about 4 quarters of cash left. Now, another thing, those splits, a reverse split, in my humble opinion, on a money losing stock is always a red flag, because typically, particularly a lot of these biotechs, they will resell those shares. And if you look at the news from that reverse split announcement, you will find that although it impacted the number of outstanding shares, they still have, so the outstanding shares went down to 2.2 million, but they're still authorized to sell 100 million shares. So again, at any point, they could resell those shares that they just got back from that reverse split, and your stock value could plummet. So again, you can see, it plummeted, got a little bit of a bounce off of that reverse split. You can see, it has popped up on probably some catalyst, but in general, it's been severely downtrending. Get these pops, if they release positive news on a catalyst, you're going to get those pops and then, quick drops. And also that's the point when they typically do an offering is, right after they release some positive news, get a pop, and then they drop an offering on your head. So you need to be very nimble, sell the rip, get your stop in place, and, don't get caught in a downside halt or anything like that. We could see this MBRX is in hard to treat cancers and viruses, so very difficult biotech fields. So obviously, if they release positive cancer news, they're going to get a nice pop out of that. If they fail the trial, etc. it's gonna cut in half or worse. So that's just the nature of biotechs. If I just very quickly look at their pipeline, so let's see if we can get an overview of their pipeline, see what kind of phases they have. So they've got one in phase 2, they've got 2 in phase 2, got 1, 2 in phase 1. So it doesn't look like, they're not super close. And okay, leukemia, sarcoma, brain tumors. So again, these are tough. They'll get a nice pop out of any positive news. But again, if they fail any of these trials, they're going to get severely punished, cut in half. And it doesn't look like they have commercialized anything at this time. So, you're totally at the mercy of their catalyst. So you would want to know when the trial dates, when they're meeting with what they call the PDUFA date, the meeting with the FDA is, etc. A while back, we talked about where you can find these the trial dates, the FDA data, and I put those videos in the videos tab in that due diligence Google sheet. So again, you can hear our discussions, what are the potential catalysts, what are the risks, and also our discussion on this, how to use this due diligence sheet. So I would recommend go back to the video where we identified the resources where you can find the trials for that particular company. And again, you're going to want to know when those trial dates are, as those are the catalysts, and you're either going to get a nice pop or potentially a severe drop, which is just the nature of biotech. So Gerald Fitz, I hope that it starts to address your questions on MBRX. If anybody else has some experience with MBRX, please let us know in the comments, in the Discord, etc. Again, if you know more about their trials, when their catalyst dates are, that would benefit all of our BeachBum traders who might be interested again in MBRX. Again, warning signs, the split and the outstanding or the authorized shares is watch out for an offering at any time, particularly right after they release positive news and get one of these pops. You see how it, popped up very quickly and dropped right back down, actually below the level where it popped from. So again, I hope that all helps.
The content of this video was produced by BeachBum Trading. We hope you will choose to also join us in the BeachBum Trading community and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Visit us at our homepage at beachbumtrading.com, the bum without the U. Similarly on Twitter, BeachBum Trading, bum without the U. On Facebook and in our BeachBum Trading Facebook group. Please follow us on Pinterest and on Instagram. All of the links to our social media sites will be included in the description box below, and we hope you will choose to subscribe to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel and follow us on social media. Thank you. We also cordially want to invite you to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, where we can have discussions on all topics related to trading, success in trading, investing, etc. You can see alerts when we make trades, changes to our watch lists, etc. So again, please join us in the new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server. You should be able to find a link in the description box below. You can also find a link in the social media category on our webpage, beachbumtrading.com, without the bum without the U, and also in the link section on the About page of our YouTube channel, etc. So again, we look forward to seeing you in the BeachBum Trading Community Discord server soon. Wave and say hello. BeachBum Trading also now has a site on Patreon
If you are willing and able to help support our efforts to produce all the content and help you achieve the financial freedom you want, deserve, to be able to live the BeachBum lifestyle or any other kind of lifestyle you would like, and you're willing and able to help support our efforts in these regards, we hope you'll choose to visit our Patreon page. You can get access to our new BeachBum Trading Community Discord server, which is currently under construction, but you will get access to the Discord server by supporting us through Patreon. Again, this is all currently under construction, but you can see we just have the default levels, membership levels, but again, each level allows support, allows access to our Discord. We're also posting our trade positions initially in our Discord, and again, we greatly appreciate any support that you're willing and able to provide. So thank you for your consideration.
Another way that you can help support BeachBum Trading and being able to produce frequent quality content for you for free on YouTube, etc., is in addition to subscribing to our BeachBum Trading channel, hitting the like button on our videos, and hitting the notify so you're alerted when we release further videos. You can also choose to show your support for BeachBum Trading with a super thanks, which you can find below this video. If you hit the heart with the $sign, the super thanks, again, you can financially support BeachBum Trading in whatever amount that you wish, and we greatly appreciate your support, and that will help us, again, be able to produce frequent quality content that we can provide for you and all your fellow BeachBum traders around the world for free on YouTube. So again, we greatly appreciate all of your support, and thank you very much. Thank you again for watching our video. We hope that you liked it. If so, please smash the like button, give us a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed, please consider subscribing to our BeachBum Trading YouTube channel. Please share this video with your fellow traders and friends. And please give us your feedback and any recommendations for improvement in the comments section below. And let us know what else we can do to help you in your trading career. Thank you again, good luck, and have a great trading day. If you like this video, we hope you will choose to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking on the box in the upper left-hand corner. You can watch another video like this by clicking on the box in the lower right-hand corner. And we have a whole playlist of videos like this that you can access via the box in the upper right-hand corner. Our latest video is available in the box in the lower left-hand corner. We hope you like this and have a great day.